Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas portal in Anime Adventures. To begin, understand that this special portal is a limited-time feature, available only during the annual Christmas event. Your first step is to actively participate in the festive event activities. These events are designed to help you earn a unique event currency, which is essential for acquiring the portal. Look for the designated event hub or a specific non-player character who will guide you through the initial stages and offer the portal as a potential reward. To successfully acquire the Christmas portal, you'll need to engage in the various event activities. This usually involves playing specific event stages, completing special quests, or defeating unique bosses that drop the event currency. This currency might be named something festive, like snowflakes or candy canes. Your goal should be to accumulate a substantial amount, often ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 units, as this will be crucial for your purchase. Once you have accumulated enough event currency, your next step is to locate the special event shop. This shop is typically found in the game's main hub or a dedicated event area. Here, you will exchange your hard-earned currency for the Christmas portal. The cost usually ranges between 5,000 and 10,000 units of the event currency, so make sure you have saved up sufficiently. This exchange is straightforward and will grant you immediate access to the portal's benefits. Acquiring the Christmas portal is highly rewarding, as it unlocks exclusive content. This portal provides access to special Christmas-themed units, which are often powerful and limited edition characters that can significantly boost your team. Furthermore, it opens up unique stages and challenges that are only available during the festive event. By utilizing this portal, you can enjoy unique gameplay experiences and earn special rewards that are otherwise unobtainable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.